If I move my eyeballs quickly enough, I can see them while they're still there. It's weird. Don't know if it's normal. Anyways. I think you can see what's going on here. This guy I've already blown up. What's gonna happen to this guy? I guess we'll see. Probably something like this. I still flinch. I don't know. We're maybe gonna have to see here. So what's gonna happen to this guy? That is what's gonna happen. I think that's it for now. What a shame. I guess if you want to see more, you're gonna have to go to my OnlyFans or ManyVids. It's just kind of like that. It is that way. Oh well. Also, definitely be following me on YouTube, because if you don't subscribe, then you don't know when I'm coming out with new balloon videos. So definitely click a like and a subscribe, and come back for more later, because I'm uploading all the fucking time, bitches. See you later, alligator.